Hey everyone, welcome back to a part 2 of my luxury gift guide recommendations. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video, sharing my handbag recommendations. Now these hair bags are under $500. I did do a SLG recommendation, so I decided let me show some stuff that's like under $500 that won't break the bank but still give you that, you know, that luxury vibe look. Go ahead and grab a bag and show each one. I think I did a total of 5 bags just to keep the video from being super long, because y'all know I can get a little chatty. Starting off with hands down one of my favorite brands, you all, how I feel about my Marc Jacobs totes, you all. I do have a black one. I do highly recommend either the medium or small, depending on what you're looking to carry the particular bag for. Like the medium to me, not the medium, the mini to me is more of an everyday type of bag. The small is considered like an everyday type of bag, but this one here you can carry a little more than the mini. You can carry your like a desktop, and you can also carry an iPad. You can carry a few books. So with this one you can do a little more with this versus the mini. Well, I do highly recommend a Marc Jacobs. If you purchase any Marc Jacobs per my recommendations in my videos, let me know down below, and also let everyone else know how much y'all love y'all Marc Jacobs, because a lot of people do reviews here on YouTube, and sometimes you get things and you're like, I don't like it as much as they did. Because I actually went through that myself. Like, people recommend things that they love, and then when I buy it, I'm like, I don't really like it. I really loved y'all Marc Jacobs totes, and I wish, like, Marc Jacobs, you should have sponsored your girl, because a lot of y'all brought these totes. And I also highly recommend the Teddy tote. I have an issue with my Teddy tote as far as the color transfer, but if you get the right color, you don't have to worry about that. So again, I highly recommend any tote from the Marc Jacobs collection. The Teddy tote, the mini, the leather, the canvas. Like, he has a lot, so I will try and link a few down below just in case you don't want to go searching. I'll try and link a few so you can just pick ones that you want. Like I said, I do highly recommend this as a gift for the holidays. So yeah. And moving on to my next item, you all, I haven't talked about this item in such a long time, but hands down, just because I don't talk about it, this here is still one of my favorite pieces. Here is my Longchamp tote. This here is another, like, a lime green color. I don't know, for some reason it feels like the lights are washing it out. But y'all, let me tell you, these hair bags are the most comfortablest bags I ever had in my life. When I was traveling back home to see the grandkids, I was carrying my Neverfull because I wanted to be cute. No, honey. When I was filling that Neverfull up, because I'm going to Wawa, bringing back pretzels, chips, all kinds of stuff, and I'm always throwing it in my tote. That thing dug in my shoulder so bad, I stopped taking my Neverfull to PA when I would go back home to see the grandkids. Go home to see the grandkids, I carry my Longchamp. Not this one, I carry my older version, because if y'all didn't know, this here is the newer version of Longchamp. They came out with a newer version from this. But back, my original one that I traveled with, that's considered my large. It's like the older version. Like I said, I'm not sure if they came out with a newer version from this one. If I didn't mention, these do fold down, and it has a button on the back where you can, you know, fold it down and throw it in your suitcase. Like, if you on vacation and you want to take this as a extra bag, you can, like I said, fold this down and throw it in your suitcase. Travel with, because as you can see, it's a very light color. I do travel with my older one because that's beat up, but I don't care. It's just super comfortable. They do have these bags at a TJ Maxx runway. I do have one that I go to every so often, and they do have a lot of Longchamp bags, but I wasn't in the market for a new one. As Longchamp, like, it's nothing that stood out to me where I'm like, oh, I need a new bag. Runway, TJ Maxx, check those stores out, because you can get this a lot cheaper. But if not, you can get them online, because sometimes they are on sale. So again, I will try and search for you all for the best price for a Longchamp. I do have the little small tote, because one of the totes I was carrying as a lunch tote. So use these here as school bags. Oh, if I didn't mention, the inside is white. It's still on to my next item, you all. I had to mention this here Coach Tabby, you all. I'm in bags for the holiday and not mention this beautiful Coach Tabby, you all. When I tell you I love my Coach Tabby, purchased the cream one back when it was original price, and the only reason why I returned it, because at the time, like I said, I was purchasing, I think, a Louis Vuitton or Gucci, and I just felt like I didn't want to keep this here Coach, because at the time I think I paid $4.95 for it. But of course, I didn't pay $4.95 for this one. It did go up in price. I think it went up to $5.50 or whatever. This tag, it do still say $4.95, but if you go on the actual Coach website, they do retail for $5.50 now. Like, everybody going up, like even Coach. I got this for under $200 on the Coach website, on the Coach outlet website. Pop a color type bags, and to get this for under $200 and these bags still retail for $5.50, I was like, I'll get whatever color they had. Highly recommend this as a gift. I will try and link the Coach outlet website so you can try and stalk the website to purchase yourself this in the I think 18. Now that one is really small. I was looking to purchase that so I can do a review on that to actually see how much that one holds. Able to catch that one at a good price. The price in the mini was the price of this, and I'm just like, So yeah, you all, I do highly recommend a Coach Tabby as a luxury gift. Moving on to my next item. This here item, I never heard of MZ Wallace, you all. I'm gonna be completely honest. Never heard of MZ Wallace until a Sephora client came in and I saw her bag and I was like, oh, I love your bag. What kind of bag is that? And she ended up telling me. So on my break that day, I went and ordered the bag, and y'all, let me just tell you, I love my MZ Wallace. That, like, this here is one of those cute everyday, it's affordable. Like I said, the front pocket, you can place your iPhone. I do have the 14 Pro Max that can fit in here perfectly. I do have these little hair clips, because you can carry this as a crossbody. I will wear it as a handheld bag. It's so soft and squishy. Have a few pockets in the inside. This here is a really good everyday type of bag. This is also a really good mommy bag, because the lady I saw wearing the bag, she was pregnant. She was wearing it as a crossbody bag. They do have different sizes in this bag, so you all, if you never heard of MZ Wallace, I do highly recommend this particular brand. I'm telling you, hands down, my new favorite. So yeah, I do highly recommend. And this here comes in so many other colors. This here is new to my collection, and this is by Ever Eve, I think. A few questions about this particular bag when I did do the unboxing, because I think when you read the description, it don't mention 3 straps. Concerned about that, because I was like, if it don't come with the gold strap, I don't want it, because this is the reason why. The gold strap is the reason why I fell in love with the bag, because it just gave it that extraness. Keep in mind, if you don't see 3 straps in the description box, it's supposed to come with 3 straps, because I have the gold strap, this here crossbody, and this here shoulder strap. I did wear this when we went to Stone Mountain, because I wanted to be hands-free, and I also wanted to be comfortable, like a really big catch-all bag, because I had my vlogging camera, I had my water bottle in here. I just had a lot of things, and I didn't want to have to worry about if something spilled in the bag or whatever. And I tell you, I love this here bag. Oh my gosh, I will try and insert a picture of me wearing this bag, and I will also be doing a updated review, because I did do the unboxing, but I didn't share like a part 2. For yourself, your daughter, your mama, your sister, your cousin, grandma, whoever, I do highly recommend this here particular bag. So yeah, I do highly recommend this here bag as a gift. They do have the black. Now the black is nice if you like gun. I think it's the gunmetal. Big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you can be notified each week, because I don't think YouTube is notifying y'all when I put out my videos. So again, please make sure you hit that subscribe and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.